Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the traffic light detection system using Python. So this is the about us section. User can upload any video in the input section. They can download from the internet or they can upload from the dataset.
Timer started at 20 seconds. Timer started at 38 seconds. 10 seconds left.
So the model will detect the traffic sign, check the counter like how many counts, like 20 or 30 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Time's up.
Okay, let's upload another video. Go to video file and select any video. Okay, I'm selecting this particular video. Model will detect the traffic sign and try to recognize that particular traffic light, like the red, green, or orange. Okay, in that video, detecting the red light with the accuracy percentage. You can pass any video. They can download from the internet or you can pass from the dataset. So this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface, and it is a desktop-based software. Right now, it is detecting the red light. This model will also count the counter, like how many seconds when the vehicle passed through that particular red light. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.